Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert an image into PDF. So if you want to convert JPG file or image into PDF, what you have to do without using any app. So what you have to do, first just click on Google Chrome and open Google Chrome, and here you have to type image to PDF. Okay, now just type image to PDF. Now here you will see first website, just click on it, and here you will see select JPG image. Click on it and click on photo library. Now you have to choose photo which you want to convert into PDF. Okay, and click on add. Now here you will see convert to PDF. Click on it and converting image to PDF. Now you have to click on download PDF. So like this you can convert any image into PDF. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.